Okay, in the other lecture, we did an annuity. Annuity is a series of payments. I should have explained that in that lecture. The In this lecture, we got $10,000 invested for 8 years at 6%. This is a lump sum. This is a single payment. So again, we're using a BA2 plus. Okay, we've got time value money keys at the third row. Got N, IY. N is the number of periods. IY is the interest rate per period. PV is the present value. Payment is the payment amount. You'll use the payment key in annuity situations. So in this case, the payment is going to be 0. And then future value, that's what we're calculating here. So again, that's the third row of your calculator. So we've got N. So we've got 8 years. N's 8. So we're going to be hit 8 and press N. Then IY. And we're going to 6 and press N. PV is the lump sum that we're investing. That's a negative. So 10,000. So you're going to enter 10,000, hit the plus minus key at the bottom right side of your calculator, right next to the equal sign. Payment here, as I said, we've got a lump sum, so this is payments are 0. And future value is what we're solving for. That's our question mark. So we're going to hit the compute key, future value, and that value is $15,938.48. So if we invested $10,000 for 8 years at 6% compounded annually, we would end up with $15,938.48. So the $10,000 would be referred to as principal, and the difference, the $5,938.48, that's the interest. Next example, we're going to look at a longer term and a higher rate, just to show the benefits of longer compounding periods, benefits of higher rate and longer term. So we've got $10,000 invested for 20 years at 12%. So so N is just 20. So 20 N. IY is 12. PV is simply the $10,000. That's a negative. Payment again is 0. And future value is what we want to find out. So compute future value, and that is $96,462.63. Examples here, if you think about, say you receive an inheritance and you want to invest that for some period of time, say you want to set it aside for your retirement. So in this case, $10,000 invested for 20 years at 12% is going to be, with annual compounding, is going to be worth $96,462.63. So the key here is interest on interest. So we're earning interest every year, and then we earn interest the next year. We earn interest on our principal plus our interest. So the next example, we're going to work this same problem, but we're going to use monthly compounding. So monthly compounding, we've got to adjust 2 things here. So we got to take our years, and since it's monthly, we're going to multiply it by 12. So that's 240, and our IY is the 12 divided by 12 equals 1. So, sorry, That's a pretty poor one. But everything else stays the same. So PV is still minus 10,000. Payment is 0. And then, future value, we're computing that. So we hit compute, future value, and we end up with $108,925.54. So just by having a monthly compounding versus annual compounding, that earns us over $12,000 in additional interest. So the number of compounding periods is very important. So that concludes the initial time value of money lectures. Make sure you are able to work these types of problems